Hey, if you wonder what charger to use with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, so first of all, you have to remember about two things: that you can actually charge the smartphone with the wireless method and also with the wired method by charging brick or this USB-C cable. So in my case, I'm actually using the old charger from my Huawei P30 Pro and also the old cable from this smartphone. And it is working without any issue. Of course, it is not working with the super fast charging, so it is not charging for the fastest way, but I'm not using this feature, I don't need it. But if you need the super fast charging on your S24 or S24 Plus, so we have to remember that on the S24, you can actually support the S24 actually support the 25 watt super fast charging, and S24 Plus support 45 watt super fast charging. So you have to actually get the charger with these parameters, and you will actually charge your smartphones for the fastest possible way. And it looks the same actually for the wireless charger. In this case, it's actually 10 watts, and it works fine. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.